Alright guys, I'm going to go through this really quick. I just want to give you some important price targets to pay attention to. Listen, Bitcoin's dropping, but look, every drop is a gift. Every huge drop is a huge gift. Because Bitcoin is giving gifts to us, I'm going to give back to you. So today only, if you want to do lifetime, contact me through the contact page of the website. You can see the banner up top. Full lifetime access to everything. $349, guys. Contact me. But let me give you some price targets, right? I'm going to get through this pretty quick. So this is the chart I covered in yesterday's video. This video here, I'll put a link up to it now if you want to check it out. I go into detail about this chart. This is how it played out. This is a published version of the chart. The live chart is actually up on the website now. But hit play. See, we cross this ring and be coming down. So this is probably the next likely target. So let me give you that target right now, guys. So it seems like there could be some support levels on the way down, but it does look like your major support to watch is going to be right. If we continue down, will it be like 52,538 out here to potentially 53,600? But again, this is your support level to watch. This has been support, so it'll be support again. When we make contact, depends on the price. But again, this chart is on the website. So I'm going to give you support levels to pay attention to. This is a C1 chart. Notice we came down and we hit this point right to the tick. Where's my arrow tool here, guys? I'm doing this on the fly, sorry. So right here, we hit it to the tick. Why? Why did we hit it to the tick, guys? Well, check it out. That is an important, the white lines are your important support and resistance levels. And why is that important? We can see back here, this was a lot of support and resistance, and, well, actually it was a lot of resistance. Back here it was support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and then we pushed above it with support. So that is a very strong support level, and you see we held right there. So that's the great thing about these charts, is you know when to get in. So when you come down and hits this point, you buy, you set your stop above, and potentially ride it up. So you can see we held support here at, this is, sorry these labels are so small, guys. This is right here at 56,631. So look, if that holds, guys, your next resistance to watch is now going to be right here at 57,624. Your next major resistance above that is 59,364. I'd probably get off if we got to that point. Your next support level just below is going to be right down here at potentially 55,600. And then you have very strong support down here around 52,500. Again, remember, when you have multiple charts in confluence, that's likely a point to buy in and catch a nice bounce. Remember, your ultimate point, if we break this right here, if we break 53,200-ish, and again, if we break this, I think we're coming down. What I said in that previous video is going to play out, and that's a pretty bearish target. But hey, that's a super duper gift you'll be receiving from Bitcoin. All right, so again, this is the next chart. So again, as I say, in confluence, C1 chart. Look, we found support right here, all right? Found support at 56,665-ish. This video will already be up after the fact, but at least you can see how it plays out. And you can see we have a support level here, right? We found support. We did drop below it. That's why you compare different charts, 57,000. So look, your resistance now to watch is right here around 58,425. Your next strongest support below is going to be right down here at 53,725. You see in the bigger picture here, 53,000 to 54,000 is your next strongest support level to pay attention to. So if we kind of push up, if we kind of push up and consolidate for a bit and then drop, well, this is likely a point to buy. Let's go on to the next chart. So again, this is another example. So your major resistance now is going to, well, this is your strongest resistance, 61,500. This is now resistance. This was support. You can see we hit it once, twice, we fell through it. So now your resistance will be this this yellow line here around 58,200. But your next support level, where's it going to be at? Right, look, 53,968. So again, 53,500 to 54,000 looks like it's going to be very strong support. This red line below, this is actually, this is the G1 chart. This red line is this white line right here. So just so you know that if you have access to the charts. The DXY, so we're coming down to support right now. We need to see if this holds. This is at 95.46. If that holds, the dollar continues to push up. That would be bearish for Bitcoin and for the markets. It's the Dow Jones, it dropped all the way down to 35,643 and then pushed right back above this ring. Originally, I thought when we hit this ring, it would be resistance and we would drop from it. But what happened is we pushed above it and this ring ended up being support. We dropped below, pushed right back above it. So we'll have to see what happens. I do think we have some more downside, but betting against the Fed when they're printing money is probably not a smart idea. But again, guys, if you want to take advantage of Lifetime, go ahead and contact me at the contact page. Otherwise, if you want to sign up monthly, the website address is optimarkcrypto.com. Link be pinned in the first comment and description. Guys, that's it. The next video, I'm out. Peace.